Moto Turbo is a digital communications product platform from Motorola. Moto Turbo is the new generation of two-way radio for operational critical communications. It's designed for the communication needs of professional and commercial users, people in the utility, manufacturing, hospitality, healthcare, municipality, transportation, construction, and the educational markets. People like you. It's been very successful in the marketplace over the last several years. Versatile and powerful, Moto Turbo provides the best in two-way radio functionality with digital technology, making it the ideal communication solutions for your business. Using time division multiple access, or TDMA digital technology, Moto Turbo delivers exceptional voice quality, integrated data applications, increased capacity, and extended battery performance. This means more productive employees and lower operating costs for your business. Moto Turbo is a robust solution of portable and mobile radios, repeaters and controllers, accessories, data applications and services. A comprehensive communication solution that can be tailored to meet your unique coverage and feature requirements. In fact, Moto Turbo has several industry-leading features to enhance the productivity of your business, including data applications, an integrated GPS module so you can know where your field vehicles or staff are. You could send text messages from your radio or your computer so that workers can still communicate when voice isn't practical. And with the industry's largest application developer program, Moto Turbo offers a wide array of data applications to expand your business communications beyond voice, including work ticket management, dispatch capability, system management, man-down applications, and telephony. Motorola and Moto Turbo can provide you a total solution, a solution you can count on, a solution that will grow right along with your business.